A picture.
I didn't see him. What was you doing? What was I doing?
Sleeping and snoring. Jeez, we had to turn the TV up. You snore way too loud.
I was snoring.
You snore.
Was I?
Socks. Is there a pair of Hawaii in here? No, there's nothing in there. Jesus! Oh, wait, I got
Middle one.
What are you looking
Another set of earbuds! Yay! I love these earbuds. I'm keeping them. Yay, another sweat thingy.
That's pretty.
Another sweat.
Boy, you're gonna be all dolled up for school.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
Yay!
Oh, got me a throw.
That's not yours.
That way I can cover up on my feet won't get cold when I'm watching TV at nighttime.
This is mine.
He thinks he's trying to take it.
Sometimes I'll probably share it with her.
They curled up last night.
Show him the picture.
Oh well. What'd you get?
If it sparkles, don't let it go.
Huh.
Jesus. Oh, no.
Well, it's got dirt all over it.
It's names.
Huh?
It's names.
Names.
Oh, that's pretty.
Huh. I bet that's underwear.
Really? Because it doesn't look like it.
What is that?
The,
A vest.
a vest that I really wanted. Yeesh, is one of these gonna come with $1 billion or something?
I think you already spent $1 billion.
No.
I don't think Santa gives out a whole lot of money. I think he just gives out presents. He had time to shop.
His elves make some.
Yeah. And the elves make it. He's got his big store.
Socks.
More socks. My
Socks.
goodness.
Some money in here or a trip to Hawaii or something in here?
Where does Hawaii thing come from?
I don't know. I just really want to.
What does that say?
So I think I'm a girl.
Girls rule.
Ah, baloney.
I guess I needed clothes. Little Miss. Huh? What's that bottom one right here?
Sunshine.
Little Miss Smartass.
No.
Well,
I bet it's more clothes. Nope, something hard. I bet it's still clothes. Yep.
We'll have to compare. We'll have to find out where
Well-
Santa got it if it's alike. But